In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot using HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Creating a chatbot can streamline customer interactions, improve response times, and enhance user experience on your website. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. You'll see a Settings button. Go ahead and click on that to open the Settings menu. Now, when the Settings page loads, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find various options for managing your account. Look for the Service section in the sidebar. It's typically located further down, so you might have to scroll a little. Under the Service heading, you'll see an option called Chatflows. Click on Chatflows to proceed. You're now at the Chatflows page. In the center of this section, you'll see a button that lets you create a new chat flow. Go ahead and click on the Create Chat Flow button, and this will start the setup process for your new chatbot. The next step involves choosing the type of chat flow you want to create. You'll be presented with a few options, and for this tutorial, click on Website. This will ensure that your chatbot will be built to engage with visitors directly on your site. After selecting the website option, the next prompt will ask you to set up your chat. Click on Set Up Chat. This step is important as it guides you through the necessary configurations to ensure your chatbot interacts aptly with your site visitors. Following that, you'll need to specify the platform for your chat flow. Click on Web. Choosing the web option integrates the chat function seamlessly into your website's interface. Once that's done, it's time to customize your chat widget. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Consider personalizing the greeting message your visitors will see when they start a chat. You can also choose the appearance, such as colors and theme, that match your website's design to maintain brand consistency. After customization, it's essential to assign availability to the chatbot. Decide if you want your chatbot to handle all interactions around the clock, or if you'd prefer it to function during specific hours. This helps manage user expectations and ensures someone is available to continue conversations outside your chosen times. Finally, follow any prompts provided by the HubSpot Setup Wizard. These are merely checks to ensure everything's in order. Once you've completed these steps, click on Verify Installation. This final step is crucial as it confirms that your chatbot is ready and active on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully created a chatbot using HubSpot in a quick and straightforward manner. Make sure to monitor its performance and update it regularly with new interactions and responses as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your customer engagement through chat automation.